Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be checking out Memolith Forsaken by Light. So it's a turn-based tactics dark fantasy RPG. Okay, why am I stuck here? Okay, first let's check the language settings. That's all the language this game supports. Settings, graphics settings. Uh, Lock cursor inside the screen. Yes, please. You know what? This option is really good, especially if you have multiple monitors. Okay, that's all the audio settings. I did drop the music because I don't know if it's YouTube safe. Let's just start. You know what? I think it's a bit dark. We're not gonna skip anything.
It is in our nature to fear the dark, for we know not what it may hold. Yet it is the darkness itself that should be feared. Ah, Memolith, shard of the sun that drives away the dark. Why? Why? Why did you lose your light? In our darkest hours, we turn to you, be it small or dim. We follow the light.
Okay, looks like we're gonna be fighting monsters. Follow the light. Where's the light? Camera controls WSD. Okay, so do we go up here? Right click to control. Something shiny over there. Can I grab it? I think we got a shield. Light guidance. Process the following light tracker to glow. Take out light tracker. Wait in place. No enemies nearby. We're not gonna read that. Looks like a straight path. Ooh, we got a crossbow. Who goes there, human or beast? That's a light tracker. Right. May its light save us all, even now in this darkness. It shines like the sun. Oh, you're a knight. I apologize, sir. I'm Edwin, an arbalist. In the militia, are you alone or no one else? So, great, great knight of the realm, following the light. I thought for sure we were all done for. Please let me come with you. I won't be a burden. Have you seen a crossbow nearby? I drop it. Okay. Looks like we have a range character now. Change characters tab or shift. How do I know? Do I have like press B for inventory? Ah yes, thank you. I'll keep receiving help from you. Since you have the light tracker, I'll follow behind and provide support. I'll be uh I'll be of help, even only a little. Yes, we have a range characters now. Can we go here? How do we know where I'm supposed to go? Maybe it's linear. No loot here. I'm pretty sure those zombies are gonna wake up soon. Slight alertness. All enemies have not yet detected the target have sight range. When moving to enemy sight range red overlay will appear, allowing you to know in advance. Once the enemy detects an ally, an alarm will ring, immediately drawing other intention. Okay, so I guess we can kill them. Use use a left click on the skill icon. Press shortcut 1 to 3. Okay. How do I cancel? Can you go here? Leg head. Jump. So I guess we need to use skills in order to do some damage. 100% kill. Is it gonna alert? What about number 2? So that's a piercing shot. Oh, you guys can't see because of my head. Let me just move me around. Okay, there we go. Hopefully I don't block any other UI. So that's a piercing shot. What about number 3? Support fire. Let's just do normal crossbow shot. Okay, so we alerted everyone. Put yourself together. So can I kill this one? 90%. Is that the hit rate? Okay, how about you? Head strike. 30 damage. Shield defense available when you use a shield. Can I head strike? Oh, they're dead. What about... How do we know if they can... Oh, it's that way. We're also blocking something here. You know what? I don't care anymore. I forgot to read. It's fine. Interact with the Katatum. Is there a no loot here? Sir, have you changed your mind? Okay, I guess we need to interact with the catacombs. Lord of the Night, what do we have here? Oh, looks like this is gonna be our hub. Get the poor fox next to the monolith at once. Is this where we heal? From the monolith? Slowly now, take your time. This place is safe. For now, at least. Thanks to Ellen, we just starting to come around. You must have been out there for some time. The corruption was severe, but I've undone some of the damage. As you can see, the monolith is shattered, so there was only so much I could do. Tell me, why were you wandering those lightless street? Did you come chasing the light tracker? Light with no memories at all? I see. Your memories have probably been corrupted by the Dark Shroud. Darkness crawls over the land, worming its way into your mind of anyone it touches. It devours their very humanity, slowly consuming them from within. Okay, so we should stay in the light. If the monolith was in a better condition, I could do more. But for now, it's best to keep you all from turning into monsters. Okay. A way to restore the monolith? Well, if we could restore the guiding pillars. spread across the city and bring other shards of the monolith here. It may be possible. It's no easy task. Okay, so I guess we're gonna repair this thing. If you're willing to try, I'll help in any way I can. At the very least, by keeping you in one piece. Yeah, I think this is the hub. Are you truly going outside? If so, take this. It's a light tracker. I want to carry it if you already have one, but it's the best for each one of you to carry your own. Okay, so everyone has a light tracker now. I guess that's the priest. So I think we're gonna have a healer. When you're ready to head outside, let me know. Okay, oh, that's the light tender. We have the blacksmith, which can do nothing for now. Can talk with this freaking guy. Expedition preparation. To start the expedition, you must select expedition member and departure location. You can switch between the organize organize expedition screen and select departure location screen using the button on the left. You can only select stages you have opened the catacombs entrance to departure. Okay. Okay, how do we close this? We only have two. So you're a royal guard. We're definitely gonna get both of them. Oh, oh, that's the. We also have a storage right here. How do we start? Select location. Oh, we okay. That's the only thing we can go underground hideout. Can only, you can only set out from. Okay, is this where we came from? So how do we return quickly, or do we need like? Do we have like a fast travel? Oh, are you friendly? Another group of light haters come gawking. Wait, have you no mercy? Would you leave me tied up like this? A barbarian. My axe has been by my side my whole life, was taken from me. The guards who bound me here put it in that room. Bring it here and finish the job. The others started. Okay. So I guess we're gonna have a barbarian now. I heard enemies. Oh, what's your range? What about Pierce? Can I shoot you? Oh, it's a passive skill. Oh, there's an item at the back. So I think I can kill this one. I'm gonna move back. Hopefully. Are you out of. Okay. End turn. Hopefully it's out of reach. Oh, they are not moving. Well, If they're not gonna move, I am gonna freaking move. I'm just... Wait, this freaking survived that? Grab the axe, grab the key. And looks like we have our third companion, a barbarian. Max, thank you truly. Now land the blows and me. Wait. Where did you get the key? What are you doing? I'm freeing you, my friend. You're gonna be our barbarian. Maybe I was foolish to think so little of you. I suppose with all those beasts about, another pair of hands would lighten the hunt. Thanks to you, I live another day. I'll repay what you did to me. A warrior never forgets. Okay. Okay, looks like we still need to go that way. The bravest warriors can't fears of those beasts barehanded. Take my axe. Hello, crazed tomato. Wait. Where's your axe? There we go. So we do have a map. Okay, this one deals 30 damage. We also have a shield. I think the barbarian's gonna be dual wield. Once we get like another... Recover 1 TP for enemy defeated. Wait. So we can just kill more enemies? After killing, 50% chance to move up for... Oh, I think the barbarian is really freaking good. On active attack gains 1 quiet step. What's a quiet step? Oh, pierce shots uses 2 active skills. I mean, weapon action point, I see. 1 HP is 50% or higher. Swap position with the adjacent. Okay. I think we should go with the barbarian more. I mean, the barbarian... Oh, a pillar. It's a pillar, but it gives off no light. How strange looking altar of yours. Yet, as you say, I see no light at all. Once those pillars carry the light of the monolith through the city as a darkness that covers the city stolen. Every pillar light? No, worse than that. It looks like the pillar itself is a exulting darkness. How do you exalt darkness? To clear the stage, you must purify. Oh, so we need to kill everything. If an ally purify the pillars, attack or forcibly move. Okay. Uh, you do it. Oh, why are they so close right away? Out of range. Can you do a pierce attack? Nice. Fortunately, can't move anymore. Okay, can you like... Okay, this is gonna be tricky. I cannot attack anywhere. Can't use my number 3. Did I fail already? Why won't you move? You have move points. Oh, there we go. Now you can freaking move. And turn. Wait, he has counter attack? I like the barbarian more. Okay, I think all of the melee has a counter attack. You know what, let me just finish this one. Okay, how about you start it again? Is it gonna call another monster? Or are we done with the monsters? We did it. It worked. It's the same light, bringing light I saw long ago. Even the dark fog around here vanish as if by magic. Of course it's magic. I see. So we need to get more of the purification pillars. However, only who possess the light tracker cannot. Oh, I see. So we need to get more light trackers. Not barbarian. You lead. Interact with the box. Yes, I am gonna interact with the box. So toilet paper. Got bandage. Open inventory. To the bottom box. Oh. Bind wounds. It's a freaking skill. How do we... How do I... See? Okay. How do I equip you extra stuff? Is it for the barbarian? The darkness is thick. Just looking at it feels ominous. It would be best if not to go there. But we have to pass through here and cross the gate if we want to reach the city. The fog is thick. Okay, fine. Let's... There's a storm carved with the order symbol. We can use it to return. Wait, we have fast travel? I think that's a fast travel point. Okay, they survive. So what happens if they die? It's just consumable. Do we get like another light thing? I see it was a wise decision not to go any deeper. The Dark Shroud can erode the mine in an instant just by standing inside. Then what should we do? Didn't the light the nearby guiding pillar? Take a moment of rest and head back to the surface. We should be able to move forward again. By the way, you're not from Remor, are you? Oh, okay, that's fine. Light tracker. You know what? We don't need to read all of this. In critical situation, using light of will skill will restore HP of adjacent allies. Using the skill will consume one will point and cannot be used when your will have been broken due to severe corruption. I see. So do we have like any more? Okay. What about the blacksmith? Do you can you craft anything now? Oh, we have survivors. I see. Light tendered. It's this guy. Once I have one request for you. If you happen to head towards the pleasure district, could you search for someone? Okay, on the pleasure district. How do we equip the bandage? Can we go backwards now? Let's start from here, I guess. I want to see if the enemy respawns. So far, I don't see any enemies. Maybe they don't respawn. Dark fog really disappeared. We can move now. Wait, what's this? Did you feel it too? Careful. Okay, so I guess that's we have enemies here. Big enemies. Hold control. Oh. Well, don't mind me grabbing some items. Two-hand mallet. Uh, equip secondary weapons in the window. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna give you here. There's less freaking damage. Head strike. It's the same freaking thing. Oh no. Press R and click the weapon to swap in combat. How do we remove? There we go. You have 26 damage on this thing. Two-hand blunt weapon. Head strike, ground attack. Oh. You can have your axe again. Wait, they have durability. Wait, do you have the plus 10 attack power? What about here? Where is the attack power? I don't see it. Attack power is 18. Put it here. It's definitely weaker. Attack power 10. It's the same. That's fine. You can have that one. Four bottles of smuggled red wine, one crate of silk garments. Well, we're gonna interact with everything here. So looks like we can close and open doors. I think this is where the combat start. Yeah, we must protect Rimor. None must pass, neither living nor dead. Are you friendly? Oh no, definitely not friendly. Out of range. Can you like run away? How about from here? Okay, there's a passive. Can you like go head on? I know you're gonna hit downward slash 66 damage. Ah. Yeah, good thing we have a counter attack. Okay, can you even get here? Head strike. What about R? Head strike on this has a lot of freaking damage. I guess we're gonna keep the hammer. Okay, I guess they're multiplying. Can you come here? Can you do your axe swing? Oh wow. I thought you can do it consecutively. No, not you. Okay, hammer strike. How much HP do you have? You only have 5 HP? Is it spawning more? Is it spawning more? I don't have any energy left. Can you go here? We're gonna end turn. Okay, we need to kill this one. It just keeps spawning. Okay, hammer time. You want me to use the wheel of light? No. Swap weapon. Hammer strike is full. Oh, I see. So we need to kill the corrupted. This guy doesn't really have any cheap attack. Okay, now we can bonk you in the head. So that's how you freaking do it. The light of the monolith. Are you dead? Oh, that's a monolith charge. Are they gonna spawn enemies when we do this? Nope. So do we have the heavy knight now? I think that's just the gate for the city. I guess they ran out of voice acting. Make way, those creatures won't stop until we close the gate. Someone must get inside and lower it. Push. I said push, darn it. Oh, I guess that's the heavy knight. One of you. Now get in there and seal the gate. So that's the knight. Many have lost their lives to seal the pass. Another way must be found across the river. Oh, okay. Why don't we just make a boat and swim across? I mean, cross the freaking river. The road ahead is paved with pain. Okay. So, Robert. Grimoire is in danger inside the castle walls? Yes, it is. I guess that's all you can say. Cannot move to the location. Okay. So let's see if there's any interactable in this area now. Press N on the map, clicking on the bottom. Now we're still gonna loot. Charcoal. We got a torch. Torch is not a weapon, apparently. Skill throw torch. It's a freaking consumable. I guess we need to go around. Maybe there's another freaking bridge somewhere. Okay, before we open that guiding pillar, let's just search. Hello. I think I can just swing my axe. Both of them. Can you still kill enemy turn behavior? On their turn, enemies can move within their distance. Okay, fine. I guess we should run now. Oh, this guy is freaking tanky. He is freaking tanky. Okay, it's your turn. If I ground attack right here, I cannot ground attack right here. That's 75. How much? You only have 1 HP left. I guess you're the tanky one. Give me the sword and shield. Okay, we can bonk. I can bonk this one. Can you bonk this one also? Okay, now we just wait right here. We're gonna end the turn. You miss. See, that way only one can attack us. And we also have the crossbow giving us a support fire. Perfect. I think combat is done. A club. Who can use a club? It's a one-in weapon. It's a 26 smash. It's another blunt weapon. 26 damage. Why is it? What's the different? Oh. There's more accuracy. I mean, non-negative accuracy. Is there any other? I guess this guy is the blunt weapon. Got coin? Oh yeah, I just noticed that we have the items have durability. So I guess we need to repair them somehow. Okay. Maybe we're fine. Are they gonna spawn? We did kill most of the enemies first. No, they're not gonna spawn. Because we already killed them. If an enemy has not alerted an ally is present, attacking triggers an ambush, increasing accuracy by 10% and dealing additional damage. It's probably not gonna die. Wait, you can shoot back? Who is shooting back? No. I'm gonna freaking kill you. You're already dead. Let me try my new bonk hammer. That's not good. I'm gonna move back. We're gonna do a piercing shot. It's nice to stay there. Let's try this one. Probably ground attack this thing. Not bad. I still don't know how the barbarian I thought we should recover 1 TP per enemy defeated. Oh, it's TP is the tactical action point. I thought we're gonna get WP per kill. Yeah, all his swings is very expensive to use. I mean, you can only swing once and then it's gone. I'm gonna wait here. Oh, you have a freaking spider leg. You know what? Let's play it safe. We're just gonna shoot you from afar. Wait, combat did not end. Oh, never mind. That's the end of the combat. Got a throwing dagger. Is a throwing dagger a consumable? It might be a consumable. Another weapon drop. A cleaver. Neck slice. Attack power is only 9. Wait. Can I give it to this guy? Is this a two-hand? It's a freaking two-hand weapon. Oh, it's an offhand weapon. I see. Got charcoal again. I think we got everything. Let's light the guiding pillar. Hopefully nothing spawns. Yeah, I think we got everything. I think it's a linear game. Ooh, a freaking spear. Throwing dagger again. Spear. It deals 10 attack power, less accuracy. I think you can probably use this one. It's a two-hand spear? I thought it was a one-hand spear. Impale, so it's a bit longer. Stab, inflict, pierce damage equals to 100%. 60 damage. What about the hammer? The hammer deals more. The hammer deals more damage. Oh yeah, I can give you this hammer. No, don't use the spear. Use the bonk. You can have the spear, I guess. Yeah, I can have the spear. I think there's gonna be enemies around here. Oh. Oh, is that a dog? All weapons have the following damage type: slash, pierce, and blunt. Attacking enemy weakness inflicts 1.5 damage. Attacking enemies with the damage type resistance. Okay. How do we know? 99? Oh boy, you are so freaking strong. You you have so much health, my dude. Can I just bonk you? Nice, nice, nice. Can you move here? Still have one action point. Oh, that's not good. He can dash through things. It's your time to shine. Just he's gonna survive. Nice, dead, he's dead, he's dead. I think we might need to end turn. I'm gonna block. The dog can dash through. Ah, that's not good. That's also not freaking good. I need to heal you. Oh, what the hell is that big guy? In critical situation, using light of heart skill will restore HP to adjacent. Okay, can you heal? What do you use actually? Okay. Uh okay, first let's use piercing shot. It didn't freaking work. You know what, let's try throwing dagger. Oh. Oh, so that's how it works. No, you. I think you're weak to blunt. 60 damage. Okay. That's everyone. Got another monolith shard. We're not gonna read that. You there still have your head on straight. Oh, oh, it's a freaking big guy. Wait. Are you a blacksmith? I'm not gonna read all of this. Too many words. Dev, you should at least add like voice acting. Okay, let's enable the guiding light. I think we can go back home. We got fast travel right here. And I think every time we open this thing, uh, there's nothing. I mean, they don't spawn anymore. Expedition number 2. We did get a lot of loot. Light tracker. Elena reaches how to use the light tracker. Survivors can now bind memories to each other. Bind memories of others to themselves. What do you mean? Oh, this gives extra. Oh, these are skills. How do we use them? How do we freaking use them? I have no freaking idea. Oh, we did get another survivor. Oh, memory board. Binding memories of others within monolith fragments. You can change your stat and gain new abilities. If you unbind memories, any stat change or abilities gained through the bond will disappear. Core memories can only be bound to memory slots of the same type. Auxiliary memory can be bound together. Okay, shoulder charge. Corrupted memory. Support. Uh, can bind charge memory type. There's no memory. Okay. Oh, we can get the charge. How do? Oh wait, they also give you stats. Okay, what is this? Install low barricade. We can build barricades. No, I think there might be no negative to gaining memory. Inflict blunt damage is a charge thing. Or that's another charge thing like here. Force march. Recover 4 TP at the start of turn. It's a passive thing. Oh, okay. What about Edwin? What I can make you build a freaking barricade. You're gonna build walls. I can give you the shoulder bash, I guess. Corrupted memory. Bind the ball. Wait. Shoot and run. Wait, you can get another suppressive fires. Wait, you can get double of this thing? Support attack. So do I get double attack now? Oh, I want to test it now. Oh, those are the... Oh, I see. What about here? On the blacksmith. Do you build things now? No, he's still mad. Bind wounds is a consumable torch. Why do we have a toss coin ability? A dagger is an offhand weapon? How do we equip offhand weapon? Should we bring the dagger? Yeah, that's a throwing dagger. We have a cleaver right here. Attack power is 9. We're just gonna take the bandage, I guess. Now let's start here. I think there might be something behind where we started. No, that's only the memo. Cannot move to that location? Okay. I guess there's really nothing here. Oh wait. This is damage. I mean the pillar here is also damage. Yeah, we should just use a fast travel. Yep, there's absolutely nothing here. I think they don't respawn when we have the monolith on. I think you can take the hound. And then, oh, that's a big guy right there. Among the enemies, is a corrupted faction. Still clinging to sound their humanity. Corrupted enemies type also fight against creatures. Any type, in addition to expedition members, use this chaos in your advantage. Oh. Okay. Nice. Is he gonna attack me? Oh, they have a lot of freaking HP that I don't like. I don't like any of this. Can you... There's more of them right here. I am in their freaking range. Oh my god, there's a lot of them. Should I stay in shield mode? Can I kill you? I think we should use the shield. Do your axe swing. Oh yeah, you do have double attacks now. Why did you get close? You can't move anymore. Maybe go here. It's not looking good. We don't have anything. End turn. Oh yeah, we should just let them fight. Did you miss? No. We're gonna shoot this guy first. 19. Uh, I can probably kill multiple with this thing. How much damage is the throwing dagger? That's a kill. That's a kill. Can you bonk? Not bad. I'm gonna hug you. End turn. Good thing we have a freaking shield. Oh, they're fighting each other. I see. Oh, is that what you're gonna attack next? Can you shoot sideways? Actually, no. Oh, we got a crit. 45, 40. I can probably kill you. Uh, let's explore. I don't like surprises. A whetstone, a sharpening tool. So we have two branching paths. So where do we freaking go? Let's go this way. $19.19. That one is stronger right there. Ugh. God damn it. Now I am surrounded. I'm gonna keep the shield on. Wait, no support fire? Oh, you're too close. Is there like a way inside? Oh, there's a memory thing right there. Do I risk it? Okay. Now you go back. We're gonna hold here. Either way, only one of them can attack unless they have a ranged enemy. They have a ranged enemy. Ranged enemy is gonna be the priority kill. Why are you not shooting? Okay, never mind. I can probably kill you with the hammer. So the shards, they give you skills and stuff. A grappling hook. What's a grappling hook? It's a throwing weapon. Wait. You're so injured. Can I bandage you? I didn't notice you are so freaking injured. What about down here? Oh, there was a freaking way around. I guess that was an enemy. No. Grab the items. Yeah, it's easier to light the pillar after we kill everyone. At least they don't disturb us. Filthy heretics, how dare you interfere in my duties to retrieve the fallen comrades. I think we need to save this guy. You know what? You do the first shot. It's not dead. Okay, never mind. Why am I surrounded? No, 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 no. Big guy, do your swing right here. Come on, one more support fire. He can counterattack. Manipulating enemies' sight direction. Enemies have not yet detected allies have their sight facing. Okay, with an arrow. If you throw a coin. Oh, so that's what the coin is for. Wait, this guy hopefully dies. He did die. Good. Can you offer support here? Double support? Just one? I'm gonna kill this one. I should have just daggered that guy. Wait, what items do we have? What if I toss a coin right here? Turn target to the selected direction. Does it work? I have no idea. We are just gonna tank. Can you heal? Oh my god, there's two of them. Do your pierce attack. Now do your axe swing. Nice, nice, nice. Can you position here? 16. Okay, let's just get the fragment. There's probably no enemies here, right? Ooh, gambling key. Come on, weapons. A cute, crude executioner sword. Is it a two-hand? It's a two-hand sword. Is it better than your axe? $77 damage compared to your axe. 40 damage. But it hits a lot of enemies. This one is also 68 damage. It's a single target. What about a sword swing? Oh, this one is diagonal. Only 31 damage. Nah, we're just gonna keep with the axe. 40, 60, 70, 30, 70. That's a really... Wait. Is other attack diagonals? Oh, I don't like that one. Got a torch. How do we... There's a sealed catacombs. Okay. Oh, there's a big guy right there. That might as well kill this guy. Double kill on this. Just one? Oh my god, he's still alive. Not anymore. I thought that's another enemy right there. I think I'm gonna tank this one. How much HP do you have? You definitely need a heal. You need the support also. Are they running? They are freaking running. Why are you running? Can you heal again? We're gonna end turn. That one is not running. There's a big guy up there. Wait, they're gone. I think they actually freaking left. I guess you're not effective in this. Can you do your heavy slash attack? I think he freaking dodged. He freaking dodged it. You need heal. I can't heal myself. I was still too close. Oh, there's a book. It's a ledger. Oh, there's another way this way? It's another different direction. Okay, before we go up there, of course it's filled with zombies. Can you like kill this one zombie? I miss. Okay. That one. I think that's a range character right there. We're gonna get rid of the range character. Pretty effective. You should tank. Wait, I can use this on enemies. I still don't know what's the cost for this thing. Like, I can just wheel it. What's the downside of doing it? I should have gotten the archer inside. Oh, there's a big guy down there. That's not good. Blubber. Okay, can you... Come on, double attack. Nice. There's so much coin right here. Cannot do on that location? Wait, it's on the other side? Two-hand morphing stuff? What the hell is two-hand morphing stuff? Weapon craft. It's a weapon. A two-hand morning star. It's a freaking recipe. Before I interact with you, let me just grab items here. That's all you said? Oh, that's a bigger star. I guess that's a focal point. I should try going down the dungeon. I will return to the hideout, bring those outside the law. And it's a novel duty rules. Okay. We're gonna go in the catacombs. Oh, that's a way back. I wanna see the crafting now. Okay, so we can use the crafting table. Oh, that's another skill. Iron wall. I think the iron wall is probably good for the tank. Hard shove. Quick reinstall. 25% chance to reset cooldown of a low barricade installation. Gain 1 TP upon counterattack. I don't need that much TP. Gain 1 quiet step when blocking. Can move without consuming resources. Oh, that's a new hero. It's an Inquisition. Are you better? Do we have like 4 people now? I think we have the blacksmith. Can we craft the morning star now? Consume weapons and crafting materials to create more powerful weapons. Weapons used as materials will be destroyed. Select weapons. I want to craft. Okay. Oh, wait. We have a freaking crafting tree right here. We have a one-in weapon? I wish we can see the skills. You only have one skill. What about a shield? Blacker bash. It's only a crafting material. Crafting recipe not learned. Oh, can I make this one? Wait, do I have them? Oh, I can only make this one. Broken maze into 2 and Morning Star. Oh, we need the freaking recipes. Hopefully the barbarian can equip this one. Oh, it's for the new guy. It's for the freaking new guy. Yep. Why do you have 2 dots? What does it mean? Gravity vertic? Oh, he can taunt. So 2-hand sword. Smash. Pain chop. What? Okay, let's just check the abilities first. Bindable. Uh, what are you gonna give me? You're gonna give me defense? Increase power for every fortitude, decrease damage taken. Yeah, you're gonna be a freaking tank. Cannot bind memory. It's only the dash or the charge. Well, what about you? Either install barricade or that one. Primary stat increase attack power. And also get fort. What about here? Damage dealt on ambush and increase by 1 speed. Critical hit chance. That's an active skill. What about if I equip this one? At the start of turn, TP decreased by 3. Oh, it's an active skill. Wait, what's a memory expansion? Oh, they have upgrades. I see. Okay, there's no point of using that. We're gonna use this one. This one is the upgrade. What about this one? Vengeful stance. Guilty verdict. Any of them is good. This one is more defensive. Grants quiet step when blocking. You don't even have a freaking shield. I see. So that's how you get stronger. Get a 2 and Morning Star. I don't have a lot of freaking weapon. Should I give you the shield? 69 damage. Nice. What about the 2 and sword? 80. The executioner sword deals a lot more damage on this one. They're basically the same, but it deals more damage. Let's see. So does it mean like oh. Oh, 3 is the max party, I see. So where can we deploy? Oh, we're next to the pleasure district. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm gonna end it right here. So this Monolith Forsaken by Light. If you want this game, the link is in the description. So like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye, guys. GG. It's a really good turn-based game. I think it's linear. I think if we just continue, we're gonna finish this game in a few hours. Okay, if you want me to continue this, just drop a comment. So like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye, guys. GG.